Ever wondered about the magic behind the software running your favorite video games or even your web browser? The secret might just be a powerful programming language known as C++. Dive into the world of coding as we explore the basics of C++, a language that has shaped the digital world for more than 4 decades. First things first, what is C++? The C++ programming language is a versatile tool, an extension of the C language, with added features like classes and objects, which enables the concept of object-oriented programming. So why C++? Well, it gives programmers a high level of control over system resources and memory. The language is widely used for game development, system software, drivers, and even in other programming languages, compilers. Now, on to the first step, installation. To start coding in C++, you need a compiler. A compiler is a special program that processes statements written in a particular programming language and turns them into machine language or code that a computer's processor uses. You can find many free C++ compilers online like GCC, Clang, and Visual Studio. Once you have your compiler set up, you can write your first C++ program. A traditional first program in any language, the Hello World program, is a simple program that outputs Hello World to your console. The structure of this program is quite simple. The #include is a preprocessor command, which tells a C++ compiler to include IOStream library before going to actual compilation. The int main is the main function where the program execution begins. std.count is an object of the st namespace, and the e and llt operator is used to insert the message into the cout object output. Next, we have variables and data types. In C++, and indeed in any programming language, a variable is a namespace in the memory where a programmer can store data. The data type of a variable determines what type of data it can store, such as an integer, a floating point number, or a character. Then there are operators. Operators are symbols that tell the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations. C++ has several types of operators: arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, and others. There's also the concept of control flow. This includes decision-making structures like if-else, and switch statements, and looping structures like for, while, and do-while loops. These control structures allow your program to make decisions and repeat actions. So to recap, we delved into the basics of C++. We learned about what C++ is and why it's used. We explored how to install a C++ compiler and write a simple program. We also covered variables, data types, operators, and control flow. Remember, mastering C++ or any programming language takes practice, so don't hesitate to get hands-on and write your own programs. You'll stumble, make mistakes, but that's how you'll learn and grow. In the world of programming, curiosity and persistence are key, so keep experimenting, keep coding, and you'll unlock a world of digital possibilities with